Hi guys,
Welcome
back to my channel.
Today our video is how to remove oil from disc brakes. If you watching my videos, thank you for watching. Please
I hope you liked my videos. Please like, share and comment on videos. Please do subscribe my channel.
shampoo water in the old cloth. First, listen to this squeezy noise sound. You can see that my cycle is Hercules Studio 50. You can see now. Like sounding squeezy sound. Like this sound. You need just a soap solution and old cloth. Soap solution and old cloth. Just you need to take the soap solution. Make it soap solution. You need to just water the soap solution like this and take old cloth, clean it down, wipe it down neatly without any bubbles or anything. Just to clean the all the dust from this disc brake. You need to clean the disc brake very neatly. Then the noise sound will be the oil from the disc brake is removed.
Will be gone.
Will be gone. No sound will be there. Let's clean the other side also like this. Let's clean some. Yeah, here. Okay. Now it is clean. Just you need to some. Sound is not coming from the disc brakes. Oh, it's gone. The soap solution will be clear the sound of oil. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing our channel. Like, share, comment below. And